Tim Duncan out of the game leads to the second shot, and clearly a three-point shot. But because they were trying to prevent the three, they take Duncan out, who is their best rebounder. Ray Allen is able to reestablish and knock in the game-tying three.
2 possessions in a row that Duncan came out and they failed to get the defensive rebound. Now, because of the instant replay rule, the Spurs, who don't have any timeouts, had a chance to discuss their final play. They confirmed that it was a 3, and the Spurs had a chance to talk this over, even though they didn't have any timeouts. That's the one flaw in the instant replay rule at this particular time in the game. Now, they have plenty of time, 5.2.
And remember, end of the half in Game 5, Tony Parker went end to end. James was not on him. James is on him now. And I like not guarding the inbounder.
There goes Parker, final seconds. Parker on the drive, puts it up. Overtime here in Game 6.
Oh, gosh.